So hey guys, I'm back, and this is Emily from Emily Faith, and this is my little brother Houston from Arms Family Homestead. And today we are going to be showing y'all a surprise that we just got, right Houston?
Yeah, we got it yesterday.
We have added a new thing to the farm. But before we show y'all, make sure y'all click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. So yeah, they have a lot of it. Okay, ready guys? Hi. This is Fatty Patty. She's a girl. And the way we tell them apart is she has...
The darkest one.
No, she has a double notch on one of her ears and not a double notch on the other. And the other one has double notches.
Yeah. That's
Houston,
Bacon.
get your pig. His pig's name is Bacon. Don't know why, but it's a girl. Gemma. Okay, so we can't catch Bacon. I got Fatty Patty again. She loves me.
Oh, I have to. No, you don't.
Dad said to. If you didn't know, it is freezing. It's freezing right now. Yesterday morning it snowed for like 2 minutes. I don't even know how, but it's freezing now. My hands are about to fall off. So what we do is we give them their water, obviously, and then we have them some dry hog feed. And then what we do is we get another bowl that has hog feed in it, and we just add a little bit of water to where it's mushy, because we don't know if
they're old enough to eat hard food yet.
No, they are. We don't know if they've been eating mushy food or hard food, because they've been eating food, but we don't know what kind, you know?
We got that done now.
Yeah, let me show them.
What we're supposed to do now,
See, it's nice and mushy.
We're supposed to put the pigs in their big carrier thing, and then we'll put the food in.
So we're trying to put them in the little dog house, but we can't catch them because they're not used to us yet. So here's what they usually do. All snuggled up and cuddled up. Before we end this video, make sure to click the subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you later. Peace.